Pyrex. Get 'em.
Hey babies, it is your girl ms.whit, and I am back again with some videos. Okay, it is 2019 and I hope that y'all are doing well with y'all New Year's resolutions, because Lord knows that I am starting off late, but hey, I'm starting. Okay. So, since I'm going out with the girls, I'm going to just give my face a simple beat, but a beat, okay? So, I'm starting off with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey and Fawn. And then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the colors 338. Get it, girl. Because what was I doing? I don't know. I've missed you, babies. I missed you guys so much. I got a lot to talk about. Like, I have so much in store for you guys. Y'all won't be disappointed this year, I promise. Because I disappointed myself. But y'all won't be disappointed. And I won't disappoint myself this year. Because New Year, because it's going to be on and popping. Point blank period, okay? So what you see me doing here is getting my eyes ready. So I just set my eyebrows with my Airspun Loose Face Powder. And then I'm going to set my eyes, well, prime my eyes with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. And then I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place palette, the Zulu palette. And I'm going to use the color Orange. And then I'm going to use my Urban Decay Naked palette in the color Blackjack. And go back in with my Juvia's Place palette in the color Yellow. So y'all will see me point out all of these colors, okay? So y'all know I'm still new to this whole eyeshadow thing, so it came out how it came out. I really wanted my yellow to pop a little better. So if you're watching this and you know how I can make my colors pop even more, please comment below and let me know what techniques I should use, because y'all be having some popping ass eyeshadows out here, okay? Like, y'all should be vibrant as hell. My shit was decent. I ain't even gonna go on my shit like that. So right here you see me using my eyeliner, my liquid eyeliner by NYX. And I had to do it off camera because my wing eyeliner, it has not been it, okay? It ain't been it. If anybody could comment down below what song I was dancing to, then I'm gonna give y'all a free gift. But y'all have to comment. It'll be the first person who comments down below the song that I was listening to right there. So yes, my new favorite product is the Wonder Stick by NYX. And I use the color Deep Contour. I freaking love this product. Like, hey, just throw it in the bag. So my new little trick for my eyes now are bottom lashes. And if you would like for me to do a tutorial on how I do my bottom lashes, please just comment below and let me know what's up, okay? I got y'all out here. All of my new babies. Please make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Woo! New color alert. Yes, your girl has gone yellow. How y'all liking my color? I don't care. I love it. So, so yes, hit that bell button and always make sure that you be real, be true, and be you. Bye, babies.